everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. So today I'm going to be doing a few different headband tutorials. I think they're all very simple. So I have a few different type of headbands. I have this really skinny one, then I have a thicker one. I purchased both of these sets off of Amazon. I think they were like 10 bucks, under 10 something. So these came in a set of 10, and the bigger ones came in a set of 50. I don't know, them might have been a little bit more. I don't know. I got these so long ago. So the first one I'm going to do, but you can also use headbands. These I've got from the Dollar Tree. Y'all, I was going to use these. I forgot I even had headbands. So the first one is the easiest one. And so what I'm going to do is just use some leftover fabric that I have from a bandana. And I'm going to use the thicker one so that you can actually see the colors. And pretty much all you're going to need is like a glue gun. Like this is glue gun, and I'm going to use a little bit of a felt, or you could use this fabric as well to make it blend and look seamless. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now that we got now that we got both sides glued, the reason I didn't take the glue like all the way around, that would have been easier, but I wasn't sure if, because this is like such a thin fabric, if the glue if it would have showed through. Cause see, like even on the inside, like I can see that dab of glue, so I did not want that to show through the fabric. So I did it this way, because now what we're going to do is we are going to go on both sides, and we are going to just cut slits in it just like that, so that we can fold these over the curve. Okay, you see, so that it is easier when we try to fold this over the curving headband. And we're just going to do that going all the way around on both sides, and then I'm pretty much just going to glue and start pressing it down. Okay, from there the headband is pretty much done. If you happen to have like gaps in here, I don't, but if you do, you can take piece of felt, if you would like it to be soft, and just, you know, glue it, cut it down the sides and glue it along there. Or you could even take the same fabric and glue it along there as well. So let's go on ahead and move on to the second headband. Okay, so for the second one, I'm going to take the same style headband and another piece of fabric. I have not measured this. I don't know where my ruler is. I don't even know where my iron is to iron this. So I am literally, y'all, I'm trying to do my best with what I got right now. And that's real talk. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to fold this over and simply glue it down on top of each other, just like that. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start from down here. Yep, I'm going to start from down here. But you could, you know, you could sew it if you're good at that. Me, no, not so much. So I'm just going to do this. Or even if you have like some fabric, what is that stuff called? Like that fabric glue. You could do that as well. But y'all, I don't know where my iron is to, you know, to dry the the glue quicker. So I gotta do this. So I'm gonna speed this up and then I'll be back. And with this headband, I'm gonna use the Dollar Tree headbands. Trying to take them off. Which one you use doesn't even matter. And I'm gonna be using these scraps that I have because I love them. They're full of color. Probably them. Well, this would bring out some orange, so probably that too. That would bring out some green, so probably that too. That would bring out some, oh, if I keep doing this, I'm going to be using all of them. Okay. So, pretty much what I'm going to do is just cut these into strips and then just wrap them around the headband. Very, very simple. Not hard at all. I would say these about, what, 1/2 inch strips? I don't know, something like that. And then I'll probably do the same thing I did with the other one, which is use felt for these pieces right here. But I'm going to go ahead and cut my strips and then I'll be back. Alright, and of course you can add, you know, rhinestones, you can add embellishments, flowers, whatever you would like to add, you can add to these, dress them up, you guys, but this is how it looks. I love it. This is how the bottom of it looks. I love this one. I think this one is my favorite one. Let me know in the comments which one is you guys' favorite one. 1, 2, or 3. Oh man. I think I'm gonna make a bunch of these. I actually was gonna put in an order on Amazon for a bunch of the little scrunched up headbands. I just love how they look. But now that I actually figured out how to make them myself, I'm just gonna do that instead. Shoot. So, in the comments, let me know which one was your favorite. And I will see you guys soon. Bye!